So there's all kinds of different videos of people tearing off the shingles and how to do it the fastest way and all this stuff. It doesn't matter how you do it, people. It really doesn't matter. So if you're tearing shingles off of your roof, you're probably going to run into about the same things we're running into. And you can tear them off from the bottom. You can tear them off from the sides. You can tear them off straight down. You can tear them off straight up. It's just a preference. What is working for you? What's most comfortable for you? Some people don't like standing up. Some people like to do it down on the knees and do it from the front. Some people like to stand up and go sideways. Different types of shovels, it doesn't matter. Grab a shovel, get on your roof. This is my preferable way. I like the way these guys are doing it. And that's why we're doing it this way. Some people just tear them down and throw them off the roof. I don't. I like to throw mine in the trailer. Nice cleanup. So much cleaner. Keep going until the shingles are gone. That's all you got to do. Keep going until the shingles are gone. Look here, people. Let me show you something. We had a water spot right here where water was getting in. And when it came down and touched the top of that shingle right there, look what it does. This is why you never know where your leak is. The water will follow all the way over the top of that shingle and then start running down. So the leak could be originally over here, but yet it might come in the house over here somewhere, or even way down there. That's the way water works. We have obviously had some rotten stuff going on around this chimney, so we will be tearing it out.
The flashing was wrong.
Yeah, they did a terrible
flashing
job.
Was just flashing. Straight flat and caulked.
Yeah.
They didn't cut it in like they were supposed to.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, whoever did the flashing on this thing originally never actually did it properly, so it leaked. And over time, that's what you'll have right there. Oh, this is actually water. Is that? No, it's not water. Look at that. I love the way it's loaded right now. That's a nice load. That's what I'm talking about. Probably one of the best I've seen. Yes, sir. All right, so we got the second layer torn down, just about. This is the old school felt paper. This is what we used to use back in the day, people. We'd use asphalt-based felt paper. The problem with this stuff is when it gets old and your shingles happen to blow off or something, the felt paper will blow off with it. We live at the beach, so if your felt paper blows off, you're in bad shape. You're in bad shape. So the synthetic felt that we use nowadays does not rip like that. So if your shingles do blow off your roof, synthetic felt is going to be there. Upgraded, updated synthetic is the best way to go.